Next morning, Sir Topham Hatt came to see the engines. He had a very important announcement to make. Engines, I've got a very important announcement to make. There will be a Christmas party tonight at Nafford Station. Thomas, I have a very important job for you. You are to go to the docks and pick up the Christmas tree for the party tonight. Yes, sir, said Thomas proudly. And he left. Oh boy, Percy bubbled. A Christmas party! A Christmas party! And a Christmas tree! Oh, I can't wait to see it decking all the lights, he continued as he puffed off to fetch some coaches. Oh, Christmas tree! Oh, Christmas tree! How beautiful thy branches! Ah. Thomas couldn't take it anymore. We are definitely telling Percy today that enough's enough, he said to Duck. Thomas couldn't stay cross for long as he made his way to the docks. He coupled up to the flat car with his precious load. Thomas thought the tree looked marvelous. Just think, said Edward, it will look even more marvelous once it's decorated with all the lights and baubles and ornaments. Thomas puffed away with his precious Christmas tree. Thomas puffed back with his precious load. Thomas arrived safely at Knapford, where Sir Topham Hatt was waiting. Well done, Thomas, he boomed. You are right on time. You can leave the flatbed here, and we will get to decorating it later. Yes, sir, wheezed Thomas. And he left. Suddenly, Percy began bursting out in song again. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write. May the treetops glisten and Percy! And children listen to hear. Percy, stop it! Stop all of it! Stop all of it now! Oh, yes, I know. I'm sorry. Engines can't really write Christmas cards, so the song doesn't really make sense. I should have probably said something more, I don't know, train related. Like, with every freight car that I sent. Like something that relates to our trains, or I don't know. Actually, that would have been better, Percy, but there's something that we've all been meaning to talk to you about, and it's not very easy to say this we all we all like you very much, Percy, and we like the holidays as much as you do, but you always go way overboard, and it kind of drives the rest of us crazy. But Thomas, the holidays are almost here. You don't really mean that, do you? Don't take this personally, Percy. But we've all been meaning to have a talk with you. In fact, I even tried to last night, but you fell asleep. Yes, Percy, and we're very fed up with all of it. The singing, the Christmas carols, just everything. Like, you've really made the whole subject of Christmas very worn out. I'm sorry, Percy. But you go too far every year. But this year we've had it, Percy. So just stop it. Stop all of it. Well, I'm sorry that you don't enjoy the holidays the way I do. I'm sorry that you aren't feeling the same Christmas spirit that I am.
No, Percy, that's not what we meant at all.
Yes, it is, so bah humbug to you all! Gosh, he seemed really upset. Maybe we're the ones in the wrong here.
Percy can be a little much, but maybe that's just how he is and we have to accept that.
I still think he needed to hear it, though. Oh, maybe Thomas was right. Maybe I do get on everyone's nerves. Maybe the best thing for me to do is to just run away. So that's what Percy decided to do. Percy could only think of one place that he would like to run away to, where he could be alone and sad all by himself. Soon Knapford was starting to look very festive. Workmen were decorating the Christmas tree and the station, while Sir Topham Hatt looked on and told them where to put everything. The workmen put tinsel, baubles, lights, and ornaments all over the tree. It was looking splendid. More and more of the engines came to celebrate the Christmas party, but Percy was not among them. Thomas started to get worried. I do hope he's all right. We were a little harsh on him earlier. Why wouldn't he be? And what do you mean you've said some harsh things to him earlier? Asked Toby. You didn't tell him that. Oliver and Thomas both told Toby how they told Percy how he'd been getting on their nerves and everything that was said. Toby was cross with them. You know Percy's a very sensitive engine. You must go and find him and make sure he's all right. So Thomas and Oliver went to look for Percy. They searched everywhere. They searched high. And they searched low. But they couldn't find Percy anywhere. Then Thomas had an idea. I think I know where Percy is, he chuffed. The sheds were very quiet as Thomas and Oliver rolled into the yard. Percy? Whispered Thomas. Are you here? Percy! Percy slowly rolled out of his shed. Look, I'm so sorry, you two. I didn't mean to ruin Christmas or... No, Percy, I should be the one who's sorry. No, Thomas, I should be the one who's sorry. I'm sorry that I get to be too much sometimes. No, Percy, it's totally okay. If that's how you celebrate Christmas and that's how you like to be, then who am I to stop you, especially as your best friend? Really? But I was a nuisance. Maybe to some engines, but not to us. Maybe that's just how you are, Percy. And we accept you for that, don't we, Oliver?
Yes, we do, Percy. Now, what do you say we go to Knapford? I think we have a party to go to.
Oh boy, the party! The Christmas tree! I can't wait to see how it looks all decorated! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Rocking around the Christmas tree!
Well, that's our Percy, alright.
Huh, he sure is.